Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before we do that, watch out for spam, WhatsApp in the comments down below. Feel free to join VIP to be alerted whenever we get in and out of plays. Also, get your free stock from down below as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, because as you can see by the title, AMC $50 flash, quick flash. And as we know, the day yesterday has been the weirdest days. Of course, you know, the whole stock market is being manipulated. We seen what happened the whole 2022. Decline. Stocks down over 80-90%, some of them. And it's just been insane. But if you really pay attention to details and you know the mechanisms of the stock market, the psychology, you know today has been even weirder than yesterday. And yesterday was weird too. So as we know, guys, the stock market should be bullish right now. Stock market should have been bullish last week. But it's okay though, because the longer it holds off, the more manipulation they do to try and hold it back, that's the stronger it's going to be whenever it do go off. Remember, guys, like I say, you're going to see 30, 40, 50%. Some stocks is going to be up 100% in a single day. Stocks that shouldn't be up that much in a single day. But obviously they are going to be because how hard they've been hit. The manipulation going on now, and then when they do start to run, it ain't going to be no stopping it. So that being said, guys, let's go ahead and pull up some receipts, show you guys exactly what's going on. Because, you know, we don't like to just talk about stuff. We like to show the receipts when we get in, when we get out, the profits, the losses. We like to show it all, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at it and see exactly what's going on. Some major play about to go off in VIP, though, guys. Some great news just happened with that. But I know this is about AMC, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. And like I told you guys, have your eggs in multiple baskets. Don't take one investment or one thing and try to, you know, make retirement funds off of it and change your life with one play. You know, you need to be moving that money strategically, aiming small, missing small, either coming with a nice profit because you letting the winners ride, or coming out with a small loss, a very small loss. Over time, them wins, them gains gonna overpower those small losses if you've been conservative with them and cutting losses quickly. And I know it sounds very easily saying it and more harder to actually do it, but the more you get bruised and the more accounts you blow up, that's the more and more you'll start abiding by the rules. The stock market's simple, guys. It's easy as long as you play by the rules. And you may say, how is it easy, Hayes? How is it simple? Like I just said, aim small, miss small. If you aim small, if you got $1,000 to your name, but you only putting $10 in the market, $100 in the market, and just trying to make 5, 10, 20 bucks to understand the principle and process before you try and go off and make all this money, then it ain't hard because you ain't really tripping because there ain't much money out there. That's one thing that's making it easy. Another thing that's going to make it easy is basically by just sitting back waiting for the best opportunities and not just looking for money every single day in the market, just waiting for the best opportunity to come out, quality over quantity. Another way to make it easy is cutting losses quickly. Instead of, oh, I'm gonna double down, I'm gonna add more to this position, it's a losing position, it's going to come back, I know it is, it happened before. And you know, sometimes it do, but more times than not, they usually don't. So cutting those losses as soon as it breaks that key level that you know by looking at the graph, that once it broke that level, it could free fall down to a whole nother level and you'll be down a nice percentage. Go ahead and cut it. Get out of it. You can always get back in. So just by abiding by the, you know, the principles that we know, and sometimes being human that we break, that right there just sets you up for good success, guys. And another and last thing is just taking profits. When you make money, just take the money. Take it. You can always get right back in. But anyways, guys, let's go ahead and take a look at it and see what's going on with this, because things is getting crazy. Like I told you guys, we don't like to just throw up conspiracy theories. You can see it. They even talking about it. The market was weird today. Our stocks, I call out, supposed to be going crazy right now. But with the market doing what they did today, and the major reason why they did it is because stuff is coming out. Shout out to my boy that hit me up on Instagram. Shout out to you. Salute. Exactly what he sent. It's a major reason on what happened today. Y'all know over 200 stocks was halted today, right? New York Stock Exchange getting investigated for technical issues that briefly halted some trading. So as you know, guys, a lot of crazy stuff been going on. And like I say, this halting, them doing that is basically the the tactic that they can use to manipulate right in front of your face. Everything else they do behind closed doors, the dark pools, rerouting, naked shorts, all that, they do that behind closed doors a little bit. But this right here, that's how they can manipulate it right in your face and be like, yeah, we just stop it. Abort, abort, abort. Too much money about to be made. Abort, abort. You know what I mean? So check this out, guys. As we know, New York, it was over what? New York Stock Exchange say it will cancel some early trades after technical issues led to halts over 200 stocks, guys. That's crazy. And mainly most of these stocks are the big dogs that move the S&P, the Nasdaq, and the Dow Jones up, which in favor turns the market up. So regardless if it was panicking or going up, don't leave it alone, because you know either after a major panic, stock is dropping very, very fast and rapidly, the dip is going to be eating up major, and a bigger rip could come right after. So regardless of however it was looked upon. But anyways, if we go ahead and take a look at this, guys, this get interesting right here. Right here. What is it, Miss Chloe? You full? You sleepy? What? Your dress dirty? Okay, I can fix it. Go over there. I'm gonna fix it. Sit right there. So as you guys can see, right here, he sent it to me. AMC call options. The price was at $50. Hold on, Mama, watch out. Hold on, you see me making it? Lay down. The price is at $50, guys. He was up over 2,700%, up like $14,000. So that's crazy. And that was and I was like, he was like, this glitch happened this morning when the stock market opened. I was like, sheesh, that's wild, fam. That really happened. I was like, and you couldn't sell? And I'm reading this just now for the first time. He was like, this last message, the last part. He was like, yes, it did, and I tried, but when I went to sell, the price for the contracts wasn't matching what was showing here. And now he was like, I even closed my Ameritrade app and opened it again, and it still showed that price. And I was surprised. Then after a while, it went back to normal. I was trying to sell so bad, but the price wasn't matching. And so that's wild, guys. It was showing it, but the reflection of the price that it was showing wasn't showing up when he go to his contracts that actually sell them. They weren't reflecting in that price of the sale of the contract. So that's just something crazy, though, guys. As you know, that's weird. A day like today has been crazy, crazy weird. Over 200 stocks getting halted. Major stocks that move the meter on the stick of the power of the stock market or whatnot. But as you know, guys, you already know, get prepared for tomorrow, because tomorrow going to be even crazier. And I believe they might not be able to hold that beast back tomorrow. So you already know what to do, guys. Get in VIP, Age Boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. I love y'all. We out, and God bless y'all. We go.